Or tell her what happened. Tell them what happened.
Today after school, I don't know, I was just in a bad mood because during history class, my teacher didn't want to answer my question. And it was a really good question. But it's okay. I'm over that now. What matters now is we took the life of a bird. It was just a sweet, innocent creature just flying away. And it was really sad. So, tell them how it touched you.
So, on the way back from the killing from the mall, from school, we went to the mall. But anyways.
Okay.
Okay. Well, basically, I wrote a song for the duck that we killed. We made a song for the bird. It's called. She knows what we're talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I killed a bird, shot off its head. Now the bird is dead. I miss its head. The bird was oh so hairy. Its life was oh so scary. It felt so bad and sad inside. Deep inside, sometimes we gotta cry. Even though the bird is gone, it's still with me in my heart, so death do us part. I miss that bird oh so much. Every time I look at it, I feel its touch. I can't live with myself unless I
kill myself. Okay, well.
Well, we actually have the bird. Should we bring the bird out?
Let the bird out. Get it away from me. Aww. Okay, merengue time.
I don't know. Ding 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 ding. Take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. No, I'm not your ghost anymore. Lost the love I love the more. Oh, the music stopped.
So
this video goes out to Miss Barth for being
shout out to Miss Barth.
The best teacher ever. She for president, okay?
She killed a duck!
We are actually making posters for Miss Barth for president. Right? Miss Barth for president?
No.
You know you wanted to be president.
Okay, bye. Oh, Lord, I'm about to hand this paper.